Starting around 11 November 2023, genuinely smooth love elixir for the most part is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.15% in most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is very huge. SLP essentially has a truly all-out market cap of $103,708,816, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $34,659,258. This basically makes genuinely smooth love mixture, SLP, kind of positioning at 291 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the sort of smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will smooth love mixture generally be somewhat worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge? Is truly smooth love elixir an especially wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which is very huge? Will SLP cost really outperform its untouched high in an especially significant manner? These in every way that really matters are our smooth love mixture cost expectations for SLP''S' future, exhibiting how especially is genuinely smooth love elixir a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the smooth love mixture estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost in every way that really matters is supposed to especially cross an especially normal value level of $0.002. The normal extremely least value worth of smooth love elixir toward the finish of the especially current year ought to for the most part be $0.002 in a sort of significant manner. Besides, SLP can truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.002. SLP value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of fundamentally smooth love elixir truly is determined to explicitly be at around a sort of least worth of $0.002 in a truly significant manner. The really smooth love elixir value worth can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of $0.002, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. SLP value gauge September 2023. With respect to September 2023, certainly smooth love elixir sort of is supposed to in a real sense arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.002 in a sort of large manner. The SLP cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0.002, with the extremely normal cost around $0.002, which sort of is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for kind of smooth love elixir in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. While the typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.002, which truly shows that starting around 11 November 2023, genuinely smooth love mixture really is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.15% in certainly most recent 60 minutes. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of especially smooth love elixir especially is explicitly anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.002 and a very least of $0.002, or so they for the most part thought. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for kind of smooth love elixir in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002. Pretty further appearance how might SLP cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0.002, or so they truly thought. Smooth love mixture by and large past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the kind of smooth love potion-S cost basically has shown an especially decent increment of 3.4% in the very most recent 24 hours in a quite enormous manner. From by and large most recent 7 days, the SLP generally was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.93%. Genuinely further appearance how might SLP cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture generally has shown areas of strength for commonly potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to in every practical sense dive right in and contribute, which generally is very huge. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP sort of diminished by 15.995%, taking out an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.000478825 from its by and large current worth, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be a great explicitly purchase a valuable open door for in every practical sense, fast interest in an unpretentious way. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 14.65%, and the cost for the most part circled from a genuinely least certainly normal cost of $0.003 to especially greatest truly normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days, which fundamentally is very critical. And truly most recent 4 months pretty smooth love mixture basically has shown a developing pattern in a truly significant manner. In this manner, we explicitly feel that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period, demonstrating the way that the very smooth love mixture value worth can arrive at a truly limit of $0.002, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars in a huge way. As per unquestionably the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of pretty smooth love elixir in every way that really matters is expanded from 4 months, showing the way that the SLP cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0.002, with the sort of typical cost around $0.002 in a by and large significant manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost in an unobtrusive manner. The coin is up by 17.95% with the in every practical sense greatest truly normal cost of the coin generally was around $0.002, and the really least essentially normal cost of fundamentally was around $0.002 in sort of beyond 4 months in an in every practical sense significant way. Smooth love elixir value gauge 2023 facts. What will truly be somewhat smooth love mixture kind of worth in 2023, which is very critical. The SLP cost especially is determined to in a real sense arrive at a really greatest degree of $0.002, with most certainly least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023, which fundamentally is very huge. Accomplishes in every practical sense, smooth love elixir sort of have a future, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. As far as cost, certainly smooth love elixir for the most part has an extraordinary truly potential to truly arrive at new levels. Showing how starting around 11 November 2023 truly smooth love mixture generally is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United